Continuing on our CES coverage of 2022, we see that TCL have given us a first look at what they're calling their foldable smartphones. Now, these are very similar to the Galaxy Z Flip in design, and what makes this great is the fact that it's a proven concept that really has shown to be popular with people, and people have been saying, it's very usable, and it was a failed experiment because the TCL have said yes, they wanted to release this thing, didn't make the chopping board, unfortunately, but it shows us an indication of where TCL wants to go in the future, and it shows us that 2022 is the year of the foldable because we're seeing more and more companies try to get involved in this. It started last year with the Royal Flex Pi, and of course it goes on with the Galaxy Fold series and the Z Flip series. Motorola had their point in there as well. Of course, their phone didn't really succeed all that much, which is unfortunate because it was so popular with certain YouTubers such as Michael Fisher. Of course, that is all in the past now because we're seeing more and more companies get involved in these foldables. Huawei have their next Mate keynote coming up soon, and of course that's going to showcase the next generation of Huawei flip phones and foldables. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, give us a like, subscribe, comment down below. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.